Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I will be looking at the Nexland ISB SOHO router. What is included in this package is a Category 5 network cable, an AC adapter. You also get a user's manual as well as a very quick start guide and a companion CD. On the CD you get the manual as well, and also Adobe Acrobat and Internet Explorer 5.5 and the router. Some of the key features with this particular product are NAPT firewall, and what that does is protect your system on the internet from things like hackers. Now, NAPT stands for Network Address Port Translation, and what essentially that means is that it allows you to be able to assign multiple private addresses to your computer systems behind that single public IP address. Also, this router offers a high-speed 410/100 switch with full duplex capabilities. And as well, with this router, you have 8 megabytes of bi-directional throughput. That's going to give you some great speeds. You can also use a hub or hubs with this to get up to 253 computers connected together right off of this router. Also, this router offers a single session IPsec pass-through. That's for configuring virtual private networks between networks. As well, it does support PPP point-to-point protocol, which is used now with most high-speed DSL providers. At the front of the unit, we have 2 green LED lights. These lights stay solid green unless there's data being sent through them. One of the lights is for a wide area network transfer and receive. The other one is a dual-purpose LED for both the local area network transfer and receive, as well as error codes. Setting up this router is extremely simple. First of all, go ahead and supply power to the unit. Then go ahead, take the cable from your modem and plug it into the router. Then go ahead and take the cable from your computer system and plug it into the router as well. Before continuing, you want to make sure that if you're using software to connect through your modem to get access to the internet, you want to uninstall that software before continuing. The next thing to do is go into your control panel. Within the control panel, you'll see an icon for network. Within network, you should see an internet protocol called TCP/IP. Within the properties of that, you will be checking obtain an IP address automatically, as well as obtain a DNS server address automatically. This is very important. Now, if you don't see TCP/IP there, go ahead and install it. The next thing to do is gain access into the router, and once you've done that, you can configure the settings inside. Once you have everything hooked up, the next thing to do is open your web browser and enter the following IP address, 192.168.0.1. Once you have done that, you'll gain access inside the router, and you can go and configure all kinds of things. The first thing, though, you want to configure is your particular connection to the internet. If you have a PPP or a dynamic IP or even a static IP address, it doesn't matter. You can do it all right within here. Now, at the top left-hand corner, you will notice that there's all kinds of settings and things you can change in this particular router. I will not be going through those today because simply it would take too long to do so, but it gives you some indication of all the options that are included within this router, giving you all the transfer speed and security you will need. Once everything is connected and working, you can go into a website called www.grc.com, and in there they have a number of tests to test exactly how secure your connection is on the internet. You can see here, this is a port test, and I'm completely in stealth mode, which is fantastic because it ensures that no hackers will be getting into your system. Depending upon your internet connection, you can go to a place called www.bandwidthplace.com and do a test. I have a DSL connection. You can see here that I'm getting some fantastic results using this router. This router has pretty much everything you're going to need, both security and performance. There's a couple of things, though, I think they should have improved upon. I think the lights on the back should have been moved to the front, As well, I think that there should have been some kind of a mounting mechanism for either on a wall or underneath your desk, just to get it out of the way. But overall, this is a great product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also, be sure to pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And when you're there, you can go into the forums. If you haven't already registered, registration is completely free. You can go in there and leave your very own suggestions and comments. Until the next time, take care.